Hi everyone, PrintFix ID here. When you turn on your printer, do both indicator lights start flashing like this? And on your PC, you see an error message saying, "Error, cancel all print jobs." If that's the case, you're in the right video. Let's fix it together. First, turn off the printer. Remove the paper tray and disconnect all cables from the printer. Printer errors can be caused by many things. One common reason is a foreign object stuck in this area. Carefully rotate the printer and inspect this section closely. Make sure there are no foreign objects inside. Sometimes they can be hidden in narrow gaps, so check thoroughly. If you don't find anything, the next step is to remove the printer cover. On the top side, you'll find 2 screws. Remove both of them. Once the cover is off, inspect this area again carefully to ensure there are no hidden objects inside the printer. And here's the problem. The paper lever spring has come loose. It should be hooked onto the upper part, so let's reinstall it. If you can't find the spring, it usually falls into the lower area of the printer. Just look around carefully. Now the spring is back in place. This is how it works. It pushes the paper lever back to its original position. All right, now reinstall the printer cover. You can find a detailed guide for that in my other video. I've already made one. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.